12 young members of parliament are set to join the 13th National Parliament today at the South Plaza of Jatiyo সংসদ Bhavan. These lawmakers, aged between 26 and 35, make up 4.04% of the 297 elected members, bringing fresh energy to the nation's legislature. From the National Citizen Party NCP, Abdul Hannan Masood Noakhali 6, he is 26 years old. Mohammad Nahid Islam, Dhaka 11, 27 years old. Hasnat Abdullah Kumilla 4, 27 years old. Akhtar Hussain Rangpur 4, 28 years old. Abdullah Amin Naranganj 4, 30 years old. BNP Muhammad Abu Talib Jhinaidah 29 years old. Muhammad Amir Hamza Kushtia 33 years old. Shofikur Rahman Kiron Shariatpur 28 years old. From Bangladesh Khilafat Mujlis Muhammadullah Moymongsingh 29 years old. Saeed Uddin Ahmed Hanjala Madaripur 29 years old. Other young MPs Nurul Haq Noor Patuakhali 32 years old. Gano Adhikar Porishad. Mohammad Abdul Hannan, Chandpur 4, 35 years old, independent candidate. This new generation of parliamentarians is expected to bring dynamic ideas and a fresh perspective to national politics.